Hello everyone, got a Mustang here for you today. This is a 1973 Mach 1 Q code 351, the highest horsepower engine they offered in 1973. This is a really neat example, complete with its Marti Report. 4-speed, power steering, power front disc brakes, power windows, and factory air. Very, very highly optioned. According to the Marti Report, it has had a color change. It was originally a gold car. Now you can see it's black with the silver stripes with the matching interior. They did a wonderful job on the paint and body when they restored it. Does have a 71 front grille and stripe, but I think it gives the car an awesome look. So I'm gonna hop in, show you all around the car, and let's see what you think. Nice interior. It's got the matching silver stripes on the seats. Still got the sticker over here. Check out the seats there. Pretty cool. Also has the full down rear seat, which is a nice option. The seat is in good shape. You can find pictures of it in our photo gallery. You got your Hurst T-handle shifter there, 4-speed transmission. E-brake set. Got your fan control down here. See your factory air there, which I'll show you in a minute. Does work. I'm gonna leave it on. Power windows. Pretty cool. That is a really rare option also, by the way, to have these power windows. Does have a aftermarket radio here. Does turn on. Got your center gauges there. Wipers. So I'm going to turn the AC on a little higher. Show you guys under the hood. Not appear that the horn works. There's your AC compressor. This is a new AC compressor our shop put on. It's working really well. See it cycling on and off there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off just so you can hear the motor better. So there you have it. There's your 351 Cobra jet engine. This is a Q code car, the highest horsepower you could order in 1973 right here. This is a really cool motor, runs awesome. Sounds really nice. So you got your power steering in there. Power brakes over there. It's a long hood. Body's in very good shape. I'm going to show you around here. Gotta love the hood. The stripe on there, that's just such a cool look. Awesome sounding exhaust. Really cool dash design in these. Doors close nice. See, the windows are lined up nice. You know, little touch up right there. Touch up right there. Not a whole lot to pick at on this car, but it does have its fair share of small imperfections here and there. Door gaps are nice. Small touch-up mark right there. So if you're interested in this 1973 Mach 1 Q code 4-speed, please go to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. We've got 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how clean and detailed it is under there. And if you have any questions or you'd like to make us an offer, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. You can also find a link in the description below, take you right to the car. Thanks for watching.